Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In our previous video, we shared our information with you all about expensive keywords for Google AdSense. In the same series, today we will let you know about another keywords and about best car insurance companies in Washington, United States. Let's start the video. As you can see on our page in front of you, Washington drivers usually pay less for car insurance than the national average at $463 per year for minimum coverage and 1176 per year for full coverage. However, Washington state presents challenge that drivers is in other state may not have to consider, such as fog or heavy snow. Like you can see, shop rates also given here. Even with more affordable car insurance rates, choosing appropriate coverage could be daunting task. Most people consider premiums, policy options, and discounts when companies coverage, but there are multiple of factors that may impact your final decision. As you can see, best car insurance companies in Washington are Geico, Pamco, Progressive, State Farm, USAA, and JD Power score also given of them. An average annual full coverage premium is given against these. As you can see, highest premium is of $974, which is for Progressive company. As we know about many companies in Geico is known for affordable coverage in Washington. PAMCO is for Washington looking for local coverage. PAMCO may be your first place to start the search based on Seattle, Washington. The company earned the second highest customer satisfaction ranking in the Northwest region. In Progressive often ranks highly in JD Power surveys, including in 2020 auto insurance study where it ranked third in the Northwest region. Progressive offers gap insurance and coverage for custom parts and equipments. If you are looking for policies that allow you to save in addition to discount, Progressive has disappearing deductibles where drivers can save up to $50 off their full coverage. Like we go for next company, State Farm. With local State Farm car insurance agents in every Washington city, it could be a great option for drivers who prefer face-to-face interaction where discussing their policies. There are options to insure rental vehicles as well as sports and classic cars. USAA. With several military bases in Washington, USAA may be your first check for auto insurance in the state, though it can only write policies for military members, veterans, and their families. USAA has some of the most affordable coverage for those who qualify for the membership. For this company, you have to be qualified first, like military and other qualifying criteria. Average car insurance cost in Washington is average annual premium for minimum coverage in Washington is $463, and average annual premium for full coverage in Washington is $1,176. Like you can see, state minimum insurance requirements are like many states. Car insurance is required in Washington. A Washington driver must carry for a registered vehicle a minimum coverage of 25, 50, and 10, which includes 25,000 body injury or death of an individual in an accident, 50,000 of body injury or death of two individuals in an accident, and 10,000 of property damage coverage in an accident. As you can see on the page, how to get best car insurance and evaluate your individual needs, consider state factors, car insurance discounts in Washington, like for military services, police longevity, taking safe driving courses, and you can also check for frequently asked questions on the page. These are the methodologies and all other factors. Thank you guys for watching this video. We will come again for with our next video.